Hello, everybody. So, what you guys are looking at is doing synthetic division instead of long division. But I want to convince you that synthetic works by doing this with long division first. So this says take x minus 4 and divide it into 3x cubed minus 12x squared plus 5x minus 17. Okay? So you ask x times what is 3x cubed? Well, that's going to be 3x squared. So 3x cubed minus 12x squared. Then you change the signs and add them together. So it turns out in this example, both of them cancel. So now you just bring both of these down. So it was sweet, two things cancel, so that the work is shorter. Then you ask x times what is 5x? Well, that's going to be 5. 5 times all of this is going to be 5x minus 20. Then you change their signs. So on 3. That's your remainder. So your answer to this question is 3x squared plus 5 plus 3 over x minus 4. That's your answer. Okay? Now what I want to do is show you it with synthetic division. Okay? So the setup goes, whatever you're dividing by, set that equal to 0. Now, you guys will see a shortcut in just a second. I'm going to add the 4, x is equal to 4. And what you're going to notice is it's just the opposite of this number. But I don't want you to learn it that way. I want you to learn it this way. So next year in pre-calc, when you get harder ones, it's not just a matter of taking the opposite of that number. So just have to have faith that what I'm telling you is the official method, even though for these little baby ones that we're doing, it is just a matter of taking the opposite of that number. Okay? That number goes out front, no variable with it. It does not, there's no variables in synthetic division at all. Okay? This symbol is written this way, you're turning it upside down. This is indicating synthetic division. And you just write the coefficients inside, but leave some room underneath it. Like pretend there's two lines here. There's one line here and one line here. Write it on the upper one. 3, negative 12, 5, negative 17. Drop this 3 below. Okay, that's the setup. Now don't blink because the work is going to, this answer will come so quick. Here goes. 4 times 3, it's always times. 4 times this number outside that's below it is 12, and you write it here. So it's this, okay? And now just add them. Don't change any signs, just add them. 0. 4 times the number outside is the next number in line. 0, just add them. 4 times this number is 20, put it in the next spot. Add them. Now, this number on the end is always remainder. This number is just a number. This number would be an x to the first. That number would be x squared. If there were more, it would be x cubed. The next one would be x to the fourth. The next one would be x to the fifth. You keep increasing the polynomial as you move from right to left. Read it from right to left. Okay? Start here at the remainder and work bigger. All right. So look at your answer then. 3x squared plus 5 plus 3 over x minus 4. There it is. It's the same answer as this one. But didn't that happen so much faster? Here goes. Now notice the way this one's worded is different than the way this one's worded. This one says write it in this format. This one, because it doesn't say that, there isn't going to, well, I was going to say there isn't going to be a remainder, but the remainder is 0. So there'll be 5 problems that'll be worded this way. The remainder should be 0. So in other words, it divides it evenly. Okay. So what makes this thing 0? Negative 4. And negative 4 is what's written out front. Now just put the coefficients. 3, 14, 13, 24, 16. Okay. Drop this number below. Start multiplying. Negative 12. Add them. Don't change any signs. Just add them. So then that'll be 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Add them. 5. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Add them. 4. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Add them. Remainder is 0. Remainder, number, x, x squared, x cubed. So your answer is 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. That's your answer. Okay? And there'll be 5 of them that will be worded this way. 5 of them will have this in the wording of the question, so you know you're going to have a remainder. Okay? All right, x plus 2. So what makes that 0? Negative 2. Negative 2 is written out front. So 4, 12, 5, negative 14. Drop the 4. Start multiplying. Negative 8, 4. Negative 8, negative 3, 6, negative 8, remainder, number, x, x squared. 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 minus 8 over x plus 2. There's your answer. Okay. Oh, one last thing. You can only do synthetic division when what you're dividing by is degree 1. If I was dividing by, say, 2x squared minus 5x plus 4, if that was in the bottom, you're dividing by it, you can't do synthetic. It only works when what you're dividing by is degree 1. Now, all of the ones in your homework will be degree 1, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay? Thanks for your time.